Push-ups are one of the most powerful and effective bodyweight exercises, but did you know that there are 20 different types that can give you a complete full body workout? If you've been doing the same old push-ups every day, it's time to level up. Whether you want to build muscle, improve endurance, burn fat, or develop explosive strength, these variations will target your chest, shoulders, arms, core, back, and even legs, all without using any equipment. The best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime. Let's start with the basics. The standard push-up is the foundation of all push-up variations. It primarily works the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core while engaging stabilizer muscles to maintain proper form. If you're a beginner, mastering this is crucial before moving on to more advanced variations. But once you're comfortable with the standard push-up, it's time to explore other variations that target specific muscle groups and push your strength to new limits. Chest-focused push UPS. Want a wider, more sculpted chest? Try wide grip push-ups, where your hands are placed farther apart than a standard push-up. This variation increases the emphasis on your pectorals, chest muscles, and helps develop a broader upper body. On the other hand, diamond push-ups, where you place your hands close together under your chest, shift the focus to your triceps and inner chest, helping you build a strong, defined upper body. For those aiming to challenge their upper chest and shoulders, decline push-ups, feet elevated on a bench or step, increase resistance on your upper pecs and shoulders, making them more challenging than regular push-ups. Incline push-ups, where your hands are placed on an elevated surface, are great for beginners or for focusing on the lower chest while reducing strain on the shoulders. Core and abs strengthening push UPS. If you think push-ups are only for your upper body, think again. Certain push-up variations heavily engage the core, giving you a stronger, more defined midsection. Spider-Man push-ups, where you bring your knee toward your elbow while lowering yourself, fire up your obliques and abs, making them an excellent core strengthening move. Plank to push UPS, also known as up-downs, combine the benefits of a plank and a push-up, helping you build endurance while strengthening your core and upper body. Explosive and power building push UPS. Want to develop explosive power, speed, and athleticism? Plyometric push-ups are for you. Clapping push-ups, where you push off the ground and clap before landing, force your muscles to generate maximum force in a short time, improving strength, agility, and reaction speed. Superman push-ups, where you lift both your arms and legs off the ground at the top of the movement, are an advanced explosive variation that challenges your entire body. Advanced strength building push UPS. For those looking for the ultimate test of strength, try one-arm push-ups. This variation requires incredible core stability, balance, and upper body strength, making it one of the hardest push-ups to master. Another tough variation is the archer push-up, where one arm extends outward while the other bends, mimicking the movement of drawing a bow. This targets the chest, triceps, and shoulders differently, making it a great move for developing unilateral strength. Fat burning and endurance push UPS. If burning fat and improving endurance is your goal, then burpee push-ups and mountain climber push-ups are perfect choices. These dynamic variations add a cardio component, helping you burn more calories while building muscle. Burpee push-ups combine a squat, jump, and push-up, giving you an intense, full-body workout. Mountain climber push-ups, where you alternate bringing your knees toward your chest between reps, engage your core and boost endurance, making them excellent for HIIT workouts. Grip and wrist strengthening push UPS. For those training for combat sports, gymnastics, or rock climbing, knuckle push-ups and fingertip push-ups are great for improving grip strength and wrist stability. Knuckle push-ups also reduce wrist strain, making them a great alternative for people with wrist pain. Fingertip push-ups require significant grip strength and help in developing strong fingers and forearms. Extreme challenge, the ultimate push-up. If you're looking for the hardest push-up variation, planche push-ups are the ultimate test of raw strength and balance. In this move, you lift your entire body off the ground using just your hands, requiring extreme upper body and core strength. It's an advanced move that takes months, or even years, to master, but once achieved, it's a true display of elite strength and control. Why you should add these push UPS to your workout. Push-ups are more than just an exercise, they are a full-body strength and endurance builder. By incorporating different variations into your routine, you can white heavy checkmark build upper body strength without the need for weights. White heavy checkmark develop a stronger core and improve overall stability. White heavy checkmark increase endurance and burn fat with high intensity variations. White heavy checkmark improve athletic performance by building explosive power. White heavy checkmark train anywhere, anytime, no equipment needed. Final challenge, master all 20 push-up variations. Now that you know the 20 most effective push-up variations, it's time to put them to the test. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, there's a push-up variation tailored to your fitness level. Start with the basics, gradually increase difficulty, and challenge yourself to master all 20 push-ups. Track your progress, push beyond your limits, and watch your strength, endurance, and physique transform. So, are you ready to take on this full-body push-up challenge? Drop down and let's get stronger, one push-up at a time.